If you want to be in a bad mood, and more importantly, if you want to have ammunition to complain about why your life sucks, why your job sucks, why you have no money, why everybody's out to get you, do not do the thing I'm going to show you, because it's why I'm in a good mood. We bring this up every now and then. The freaking Easton University daily goal sheet. Why is this so important? Number one, it's going to inspire you. Number two, it keeps you centered on your goals. And number three, it keeps you centered on the activities. And y'all, I still sell, okay? I got hung up on today. Don't care. Had a deal that blew up. I don't care. Why? Because I do my daily goal sheet. And I realize that that person that hung up on me today has absolutely nothing to do with where my life is going to go. If you guys are not writing your goals down every day, if you're not tracking your activity, here's what ends up happening. Some jabroni hangs up the phone on you or doesn't call you back, and you get all upset. You get all flustered. It ruins your day, and you focus on it. Here's the other thing that happens. On the flip side, if you're not writing your goals down every day and you're not tracking your activities, you don't focus on the things that really matter. Am I going in and creating 5 new opportunities? Did I do a post on LinkedIn? Did I do my follow-up calls? Did I clear my email? Did I clear my voicemail? Some of y'all are like, really upset because somebody didn't call you back and your freaking voicemail has been full. Or says, I'll be out of the office till September 1st. And it is said that, what is today? November, I don't know, to 8th, right? Like, you are not focusing on the activities that you need to do. You haven't even gone in and checked your voicemail, yet you're letting little things bother you. Okay, if you have any questions on this, I'm happy to answer them for you. But just quick plug, okay? If you're not going to use the one from Easton University, www.eastonuniversity.com/goals. It's right there in your portal for you guys to download. Now you have to do some creativity and make your own, all right? But if you're not doing this, you're not focused. I guarantee you're not focused. It's not humanly possible to stay focused without a roadmap in front of you. That's my plug there. Does anybody have questions on goal sheets?